Welcome back, fellow marketers, to our riveting series on leveraging cutting-edge technology to supercharge your YouTube game. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of YouTube automation and how to use ChatGPT to create captivating videos that not only engage your audience, but also open up lucrative money-making opportunities. 1. The power of ChatGPT for YouTube video creation. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model, developed by OpenAI, that can generate human-like text and engage in conversations. By harnessing its immense capabilities, we can craft captivating scripts, generate innovative video ideas, and even use it as a co-creator for your YouTube content. The first step to utilizing ChatGPT for YouTube video creation is to understand how it works. It's an intuitive tool that can assist in generating fresh content ideas, refining your scriptwriting process, and even providing you with intriguing video prompts. With ChatGPT as your creative ally, you can amplify your YouTube reach, captivate your audience, and create content that stands out from the crowd. Say goodbye to content blocks and hello to a world of endless inspiration. 2. How to make videos with ChatGPT. So, let's dive into how to make videos with ChatGPT. Start by feeding the AI relevant information about your niche or target audience. This will help ChatGPT understand your style and preferences, enabling it to suggest more personalized video ideas. Have you ever struggled with generating fresh content ideas? Well, ChatGPT is here to the rescue. You can engage in a creative brainstorming session with this AI language model, asking questions and seeking suggestions for your video's angle or perspective. It will churn out a myriad of inspiring content ideas that you can transform into captivating videos. Moving on to the scripting phase, ChatGPT's assistance is invaluable. You can use it as a scriptwriting assistant, refining your narrative, suggesting engaging intros and outros, and even creating catchy titles that drive clicks. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it can adapt to your preferred tone, making the content creation process feel seamless and authentic. 3. YouTube automation with ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about YouTube automation with ChatGPT. As a busy marketer, automating tasks can be a game changer. ChatGPT can help you streamline your video production workflow by automating tasks like transcribing, subtitling, and generating thumbnails. This frees up your time to focus on what truly matters, creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Ever spent hours transcribing your videos or creating eye-catching thumbnails? With ChatGPT's automation prowess, those tedious tasks become a thing of the past. Now, you can focus on the creative aspects of your YouTube channel, while leaving the mundane tasks to ChatGPT. 4. Using ChatGPT to make money on YouTube. The moment you've all been waiting for, using ChatGPT to make money on YouTube. As a content creator, monetization is a goal many aspire to achieve. With ChatGPT as your trusted ally, you can optimize your content for maximum reach and profitability. One of the keys to YouTube monetization is watch time. The longer viewers engage with your content, the more favorable it is to YouTube's algorithms. ChatGPT can help you craft compelling scripts that keep your audience hooked from start to finish, leading to increased watch time and, ultimately, more monetization opportunities. Moreover, ChatGPT can aid you in crafting compelling calls to action and refining your video SEO. The result? More clicks, more views, and more revenue for your YouTube channel. By leveraging ChatGPT's power to optimize your content, you're positioning yourself for YouTube success and monetary rewards. 5. Money-making ideas with ChatGPT. Speaking of making money, let's explore some exciting ChatGPT money-making ideas. You can use ChatGPT to generate valuable lead magnets, such as ebooks or guides, which can be offered as incentives to grow your email list. Having a robust email list opens up opportunities for affiliate marketing and selling your own products or services directly to your loyal audience. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you create personalized content for sponsored partnerships, making your collaborations with brands more engaging and authentic. As your channel's reputation grows, so does your bargaining power with potential sponsors, leading to more lucrative deals. 6. Tips and prompts for YouTube success with ChatGPT. Before we wrap up, let's share some invaluable tips and prompts to ensure YouTube success with ChatGPT. Experiment with different video formats and styles to keep your content fresh and exciting. Use ChatGPT's suggestions for video titles and descriptions to optimize search rankings. Engage with your audience by asking ChatGPT for interactive video ideas or audience Q&A prompts. Collaborate with other YouTubers and let ChatGPT assist in crafting compelling pitches and collaboration concepts. Monitor your channel's analytics and use ChatGPT to identify trends and refine your content strategy. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a game-changing tool that can elevate your YouTube presence and boost your earning potential. From generating fresh video ideas to automating repetitive tasks, ChatGPT empowers you to focus on creativity and audience engagement. Embrace the power of AI and witness your YouTube channel flourish like never before. Thank you for joining us today. Click on the link below to learn about the latest tips and tricks for YouTube success with ChatGPT. Until next time, happy creating and happy earning.